Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Today I want to cover Bitcoin Rune, specifically Billion Dollar Cat getting a MEXC spot listing. Later in the video we'll go out to MEXC and see if we can find it and buy some Billion Dollar Cat, so stay tuned for that. But I want to start by just taking a look at the overall Runes market on Magic Eden. Nothing I say is financial advice, this is for education and entertainment purposes only. So if we sort it by 7-day, you can see that RSIC RUNECOIN has been on fire, up over 90%, doing over 25 Bitcoin, doggo to the moon, same amount of volume, down a little bit, but still a lot of volume. And then in third place, Billion Dollar Cat, just under 6 Bitcoin in volume. So if we take a look at doggo to the moon first, you can see there's 21 buys pending, over 81,000 holders. So just to give you some perspective, this is a video I did about a month ago. They're at 75,583 holders. So the holder count has gone up by over 5,000 in just about a month's time. You can see market cap's over 300 million and the chart's starting to look more bullish. If we go out to X and take a look at the sentiment around dog, you can see a lot of bullish posts. Let's take a look at Billion Dollar Cat. The chart is similar to dog in that it looks like it has been improving over the last few weeks. Holder count on Billion Dollar Cat is gone up as well. Again, if we compare it to my video from about a month ago, you can see that it was at 7,169 holders, and if we look at it now, the holder count's over 8,000. So it's added almost 1,000 new holders, so that's a good sign. Market cap is just under 18 million, and if we take a look at it on X, they're over 10,000 followers now on their X account. This is kind of unique to this project where they've incorporated Bitcoin ordinal projects, right? So if you have a Node Monkey or any of the projects listed here, a Natcat or a Pepe Nulls, you can simply come onto the site, upload your PFP, and it'll put the Billy glasses on for you. Also has a meme generator too to put Billy glasses on. So this is really cool, user generated content. They continue to post frequently on X, which is a great sign. 44 minutes ago, an hour ago. The community engagement around this one is strong as well. Similar to dog, Billion Dollar Cat, they both have extremely strong communities. So RSIC RUNECOIN, we have to talk about this one. This has been on fire the last couple days. You can see the chart looks really good. Right now 17 buys pending. They have over 81,000 holders with a market cap just under 94 million. And then if we take a look at them on X, you'll see they have 367,000 followers and have started to post again regularly. There was a period of time where they did not post very often on X, but now they have been posting over the last few days very frequently. So you can just feel momentum building with RUNECOIN. So those are really the big three. There are others that are coming up, which is great. We want to see new coins being launched. I like to keep an eye on new runes being minted. So if you go to ord.io/runes, you can come here to see what is minting, and I like to sort it by created. And this will give you an idea of the volume of new mints out there. You can see 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 59 minutes ago. My theory has been for the past few months that eventually some of the meme coin market volume is going to flow into Bitcoin runes. And so now is a good time to kind of get educated and try to position yourself accordingly if you agree with that. All right, so let's take a look at Billion Dollar Cat on MEXC. So MEXC is a popular centralized exchange. They offer a ton of different tokens to trade, including dog. So let's go ahead and test this out. I'll put a link to MEXC if you don't have an account and you're interested in signing up. It'll help support the channel. It's just a really good exchange to have if you want to access more tokens. So let's go to spot. So you can see right here they do have doggo to the moon, and I have a video actually buying doggo to the moon on MEXC, so you can check that out. Well, let's go ahead and search for Billion Dollar Cat. This was just listed today. So Billion Dollar Cat BDC, that's their new ticker. It was Billy and they changed it last week to BDC for Billion Dollar Cat, which I kind of like better. All right, so you can see that the spot listing for Billion Dollar Cat is live on MEXC. This makes it a lot easier for more people to access Billion Dollar Cat. Gives a lot more exposure to the token. So let's go ahead and see if we can buy some. So you can see right now my open positions, I have a little bit of dog and then I have some tether USDT. All right, so I do have some USDT in here. We can go ahead and go through the example of buying Billion Dollar Cat on MEXC. So there's a couple different ways obviously you can do it. You can do limit orders, right, where you specify what price you'd like to buy it at. And if it hits that price, your order will be executed. That's usually the way I'll do it if I'm trading on here, but in this example we're just going to do a market buy. It's going to buy it at whatever price it's currently at, just to show you an example. I don't have a ton of USDT in here right now, but let's use all of it. So I'll say 100% and I'm going to say buy Billion Dollar Cat. Your buy order will go through right away when you use market buy. So let's go down and check out our open positions. You can see we now have dog and we have Billion Dollar Cat. And so yeah, MEXC makes it super easy to buy all different kinds of coins that you wouldn't have access to on a Coinbase or Binance or other centralized exchange. So having Billion Dollar Cat on MEXC is going to make it accessible to a much larger audience audience of people, and I think that is a positive not only for Billion Dollar Cat but for Bitcoin runes in general. Now having this one, Dog, and I believe Lobo is on here as well. Lobo the wolf pup, I could be wrong, but I think that's in here as well. Let's take a look. Lobo. Yeah, so they do have Lobo the wolf pup in here as well, which is another Bitcoin rune. So this is great to see. I feel like in general the Bitcoin runes ecosystem continues to grow despite it still being very early. New tools are being built to make it easier for users to trade them. So runes will continue to have my attention the rest of the year and into 2025. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.